Vahini, how are you?
Your voice is not coming, Vahini. Your voice is not there.
How is it?
Yeah, it is there.
Yeah. Hi Vahini, how are you? I'm not able to hear. Okay, I'm doing great. Okay, so tell me something about yourself.
All actually I'm a person who is talkative, but who is sensitive more. Try to help out the things for myself, others as well. And anything else like talk about myself, about my passion, hobbies, that is about sketching. And sometimes I used to write write stories, like whichever comes in my mind or heart. So I just used to take out my things, my emotions, my everything through that way.
Okay, so you have mentioned you like to write stories. So, what type of stories you like to write?
It's kind of
Yep.
again as I said, kind of helping nature. So I just used to write on friends sometimes. Means the stories which I presented, one was on friends, then second was on that dreams and dedication. So mostly I write about that. Like sometimes I used to write stories. Mostly I do sketching.
Mostly I do sketching.
मैं समझ Hello. Yes. You gave the presentation on conditions of farmers and recent agricultural reforms, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mention any one benefit of National Farming Audience 2020 over National Farming Policy 2000.
The first ordinance is that it opens it for farmers for their means it opens more area for them to to sell their crops. Like in 2000 ordinance, it was not there as the area was being finalized by APMC Market Committee. But in this act, which is new, in this there is no such foundation. They can go anywhere in the country for selling their crops.
Okay, that's all. I would like to pass the mic to Vineet sir. That's all I want. That's all. Vineet sir, I would like to pass on the mic.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for this beautiful question which you have asked and the way Vine has answered. I believe you must have given your own opinion in the form of marks over there, which has been assigned to you. Now, I would like to ask Saroj Bika, ma'am, if you're there, please. Your video is off, most probably. That's why we are not able to see you either, and I'm not able to make you spotlight. Yes, Saroj Bika, ma'am. If everything's okay, please,
Yes,
you can ask.
yes, sir.
Or you can ask the questions now from Vine.
Okay. Hello,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
how are you? Good
I'm
afternoon.
good,
How
ma'am.
are you?
Ma'am, your voice.
Her network is not working most probably. So Abila, Nirushri ma'am, would you love to go with it now?
Okay, so good afternoon, Vahini. Vahini, I
Good
just
afternoon,
want
ma'am.
to know that written certain things about your skills in your CV. So when you say
Yes,
that you have critical thinking, can you just elaborate it
yes,
a
ma'am.
little bit?
Ma'am, in this situation, like there are some times when I got very nervous about the things, and I'm in a situation where I cannot handle my things. Like there are so many situations that happen in even in school at many point of time. So I just try to calm myself down and find the best way out, which is at that point of I can suggest to myself. I can do at that point of time.
Okay, so can you just give me an example that actually your critical thinking has helped you somewhere?
Yeah, ma'am. In many times, as I said, like performing at a place, there was some time, I don't means I performed somewhere in the school even where I lost something like that that content which we have to go with. So at last time I just lost it. So at that point of time, I just went on the stage and I just said what is there in my mind, what is there in my heart. So I that have taken my confidence up, and so it was not prepared anything. It was like extempore. So I just I just make myself calm. I just go for it.
Okay, one more thing, as you said that you are good at team coordination. Okay, so do you
Yes,
think
ma'am.
that team coordination is more important, or do you think individually working very hard is more important? What according to you is more important?
Ma'am, if we are working in a team, means are you asking like if you are working in a team or separately?
See, that is what my question is. If you think you are wanting to work in a corporate world or anything of this sort, what do you think is more important? Matlab, do you think, like, obviously both the things are important, but I am asking you to compare and tell me which one is more important.
Okay, ma'am. If we work individually, we grow by ourselves. But when we work in a team, we can rectify, means we can learn more new things from new people, from their new personalities, which will tell us, which will say ki, which will make us know ki, see this is the thing ki, this we have to work on. Like if something someone else is doing this, but we don't have that thing, so we can just work on it. We can come to know about ki I have to work on this part of myself. And individually, we can know more and more, but that comparison of knowing means comparing ourselves to the world, that can we just face it? So in groups, it can help us more, I think.
Okay, Vahini. Okay, Vahini. Good enough. So, Vineet sir, that is it for me.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot for asking this, so gently asking this girl about all these questions which you have asked over here. Now I'd like to ask Saroj ma'am to please come up and go with your questions. You can unmute yourself, Saroj ma'am, and you can ask your questions whichever you want to ask to Wine. Ma'am, you'll have to unmute yourself first. You are muted. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now it is audible.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, yes. Vahini, hello.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. You are very good at answering Niru ma'am and Abhilasha ma'am. I was listening, but now, yeah, definitely you are very good. Your confidence was very good. I like your confidence. Okay, just chill. I just want to ask one question. Do the farmers under this bill interstate trade or intrastate trade?
Ma'am, what
Ma'am, please repeat.
Intrastate. Okay, okay, I'm repeating. Do the farmers under this bill have to register for interstate trade or intrastate trade?
freight, right, ma'am? What's it? Freight.
Trade, Trade, trade.
Trade.
Trade or intrastate trade.
Great.
Yes, trade, Trade.
For their business, I must say.
Intrastate rate or
Interstate.
Interstate,
intrastate
enter and
rate.
intra.
Or maybe interstate rate, maybe, because I am not sure about this.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot for
Well,
asking this question. Now, just one question from my side, Vaini, as I have listened to your presentation on the GD which was going on. You, in your whole thing, have talked about stagnation period. What do you mean by stagnation period? While you were giving the presentation.
So in this period, yeah, I talked in this period. It was between mid 80s and 90s. In this period, what happened was the production of milk products were increased in a very large way, or in a very large quantity. So because of that, the agriculture part, which was of crops, that was declined. And we were
So that period
trading
is
with
called.
that.
So that period is called stagnation period.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Thank you to all the teachers, and thank you, Vaini, for such an awesome vibe. It was nice from your side. Any of the teacher would love to say anything to her before moving forward to the other candidate? Okay, thank you. So thanks a lot. Marks will come to know later on. It was good from your side. So now we are going to move forward, and I would like to ask basically Vaini is done. So we'll continue with the V word only. We are having Vedansh Agarwal over here. So Vedansh Agarwal, I would like to now you to come up. Vedansh Agarwal, the moment I have said Vedansh Agarwal, he has left the meeting. So I'll have to just remove his name now. So if V is not there, so let's go with Devanshi. Would you love to go for it? Devanshi Chug. You can unmute yourself, please. Yes, Devanshi Chug.